CrookHook. In fact, there are different devices designed to help police officers during chases. They differ in design and in the degree of damage inflicted on the vehicle of the criminal. CrookHook was developed in the US and is considered a prevention device. It doesn't endanger the driver of the pursued car, and at the same time almost doesn't damage the vehicle at all. CrookHook is attached to the front bumper of the car. When the police car approaches the vehicle from behind, the officer presses a couple of buttons to activate special sensors. Their task is to automatically activate the hooks when the two vehicles are close enough. The device provides a reliable, strong grip between the two cars. Now the officers can control the other car and assist its braking. Besides, when the car is stopped, the CrookHook will not allow it to move again. The device is equally well suited for braking as well as for obstructing acceleration. Bulletproof Origami. The following invention was developed with the help of security services. Experts from Brigham Young University asked officers a simple question: what will help you work better? The answers were the starting point to create a unique ballistic shield. It's not by chance that the developers used the term origami to describe it either, because its folding principle is inspired by the Japanese paper art. This, however, has not affected its protective qualities in any way. The shield can withstand even heavy fire. Also, the experts have tried to deprive their product of the disadvantages of traditional shields. For example, they usually weigh about 45 kilograms, which is quite a lot, given that a shield can only protect one person. The origami shield weighs almost half less, about 25 kilograms. And at the same time, it's big enough to give protection to 2 or even 3 people. Knightscope K5. Many tasks performed by intelligence officers today do not require people. Some jobs may well be assigned to robots, and this is what the American company Knightscope does. The K5 is a small but efficient autonomous security robot. It patrols the territory assigned to it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without holidays or weekends. The K5 moves at 5 km per hour and watches the surrounding area with 4 built-in cameras. The robot remembers and recognizes license plates, is equipped with a siren and an alarm system, and also informs security guards of any suspicious activity. It's noteworthy that this is not just a prototype, but a working model, which has been in operation in some US states since 2014. BolaWrap. The easiest and fastest way to disarm a person is using a stun gun. The problem is that its safety leaves much to be desired. Fortunately, the specialists of the American company Wrap Technologies were able to offer the world a safer alternative. BolaWrap throws a Kevlar tether, which wraps around the person, depriving them of their ability to move. Aim at the legs to keep the intruder from walking. Aim at the chest area to restrain their arms, which is useful if the person is armed. The cord flies at a speed of 156 meters per second, so you can't escape from it or dodge it. The area of impact ranges from 3 to 7 meters. Thus, the BolaWrap neutralizes the criminal from a safe distance while minimizing their discomfort. Exoap hook. Firefighters have to risk their own lives in order to save ordinary citizens. Therefore, it is very important to take care of the lives of firefighters and provide them with the best technologically advanced equipment that can help them in a critical situation. Exoap hook from the French company Petzl is exactly that. It's an individual evacuation system that's been developed specifically for locations where it's difficult to find an anchor point. In this way, if a firefighter can't leave the building, the Exoap hook will enable him to get out of the danger zone. The firefighter has to fix the hook in place, move away from the hook, exit the building through a window, and make a controlled descent. The anti-panic function will prevent you from going down too fast and hurting yourself too. The rope is unique as well. It's woven of aramid fiber, so it's highly durable and resistant to high temperatures. .3M Scott Sight. During a fire, every second matters because it can save someone's life. That's why the next device that we're talking about is so important. Scott Sight by 3M is the world's first mask with a built-in thermal imaging camera. The technology itself is not new and is used by firefighters all over the world. A thermal imaging camera significantly increases visibility as well as situational awareness in smoke-filled areas. But you have to hold it in your hands, which is very inconvenient. However, Scott Sight frees up your hands. The display is placed right inside the mask and is always in front of your eyes. The manufacturer has taken care of the automatic darkening of the infrared lens to guarantee a clear image in any situation. Scott Sight saves firefighters time and expands their capabilities. Elide Fire. Traditional fire extinguishers have not changed for a very long time. However, people rarely know how to use them, and even if they do, they can't always handle them. And that's not to mention the fact that the weight of the average fire extinguisher is about 6 kilograms, which is quite a lot. All of these qualities make Elide Fire a revolutionary invention. It's easy to use, even for children, it's efficient, and it provides an increased level of safety. That's because the person doesn't have to approach the fire in order to put it out. Elide Fire is a fire extinguishing ball that you just need to throw into the fire zone. In response to the temperature rise, the ball explodes and spreads a special powder around it. It is harmless to people and the environment, but it deals with the fire in a matter of seconds. Elide Fire is also good as passive protection. It can be fixed in a hazardous area, and in case of fire, the ball will do all the work on its own. MobileSpike. Today's first invention was designed specifically for police chases. The device is mounted on the front bumper of the car and starts to work if you press a button inside the vehicle. With MobileSpike, all it takes to stop the criminal is catching up with their car. A special spike appears from the side and pierces the wheel, forcing the car to slow down. FLIR Si124. Here's an equipment that can provide invaluable assistance in inspection work. This is an acoustic imaging camera designed for industrial needs. What does it do? Well, it's used to locate leaks in pressurized air or gas systems, as well as in vacuum systems. The problem area is indicated on the display in real time. FLIR Si124 allows you to see a leak immediately instead of wasting time looking for it. And you can use the device from a distance of up to 100 meters. Hydra Sub 250. Today's last invention is an innovative, portable, hydraulically driven submersible pump that can be used in firefighting vehicles. With a relatively light weight of 60 kilograms, the Hydra Sub 250 allows you to pump water from an open source faster and in larger quantities than with standard pumps. The device creates a pressure of 10 bar and can pump up to 8,000 liters of water every minute. Moreover, it requires a minimum water depth of just 30 centimeters to operate.
Hi friends, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button and keep supporting us. Thank you.